Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to clean your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus USB charging port using home remedies. So never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. And I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is a piece of paper in my charging port, and to get it out you first have to take one part of toothbrush into your charging port and try to gently pry out the piece of paper. So take the one part in charging port and gently try to pry out. Pry the piece of paper out. Okay, alright. Thank you for watching, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.